How you doing, people? Welcome back. I have this, what is this, by the way? 2012 Honda Pilot. 2012 Honda Pilot. The problem is it didn't want to start. It didn't want to start because I thought it was the alternator. I thought it was the alternator. It's not the alternator. I checked the alternator. So I boost the battery, and the car started. Then I disconnect the booster. The car keep running, so it didn't die, which means the alternator is good. But I double check if it was the alternator. It's not the alternator. I checked the battery, and I check it with this computer. It says something about the battery having 68% of health, but when it's time to replace the battery, you gotta replace the battery. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we're gonna do now. All right. Before I jump into the action and get a saying, I'm gonna say the subscribe to the channel. Do that. Hit the subscribe button. Like the video, share the video, and the feedback. Put in the comment box for me. Anything you want to say, put in the comment box. Join the community channel too. Do that. Join the community channel. I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery in this 2012. I'm gonna put the range of years. Alright. Okay, this is between 2012 and 2015. Okay, so if you have a Honda Pilot between 2012 and 2015, that's what you're gonna do. Alright, this is what you're gonna do. Alright. So let's get it started. I'm gonna let the car run. I'm gonna do it while the car is running. So I don't have to. I'm gonna do it while the car is running, so I don't. I'm gonna avoid to mess with the radio and the clock. There's 2 clips over here for the intake. And right there, and this. Okay. 10mm, 10mm. Medium cylinder. Better. Good. Maybe the 10mm. Ooh, right here. the swap. It's close now. Okay. Get it here. Get it here. Okay. Grab this, we'll talk on that. Okay. Now I'm gonna put this into a state. Remove this. Okay. Just gonna have to cover it now. Put it down, put it here, put it here. Like this one. Make sure to show the way down. Okay. Voila. The car didn't die, that's good. I'm going to put this back. There's a hole down here. See you go right there. Another hole running here. Grab your gun or your ratchet. You can do it with a ratchet too. Battery secure. Now here. Sorry about that. Now here you're gonna have to mark the battery when you install it, okay? So it's easier for the next mechanic technician to diagnose the problem, you know what I'm saying? So let's see the numbers first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 0. It's right now it's 2022. I'm gonna remove this. Okay. These are the months: January, February, March, April, whatever. May, June, July, August, September, and so on. October now. We're in October, so we're gonna remove this one. And that's how you do it. That's how you replace the battery and mark the battery. Okay, so If it dies in 3 months, now you know when to install it. You know what I'm saying? I will put everything back now. Intake and all that. I don't think it's 12 now, is it? Oh shit. Which? Alright guys, I hope you like this video. Alright, time to get some chow. Alright, I'm gonna leave it right here. And yeah, I hope you like this video. You know where to find me, okay? And if you have any concerns, any questions, don't doubt to contact me. Put your feedback in the comment box, and as soon as I see it, I reply. Holla at your boy, I'm leaving now, alright? Take care. Catch me in the next one. Stu, boom.